And at the ninth hour, Jesus cried with a loud voice, saying, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani, which is being interpreted, my God, why hast thou forsaken me? May God bless you. Amen. Tin beliang mun hun lai chuan Isu chu ring takin Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani ti na au chuaka chu kapathian enga nge mikal san ti na ani keima wangle keima ta na soi lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.